guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, it's November 17th of 2024. As of recording this video, Bitcoin is almost 90,000. I know maybe last week or so, Bitcoin hit up almost 94,000, I believe. So we've been fluctuating since then, but crazy times. But I'm going to correlate this with crypto mining, and hardware prices are starting to ramp up here, especially GPUs and also GPU mining hardware. Okay, so the interest right now, according to Google Trends, crypto mining is going up. Okay, there's been a little bit of a jump here over the past couple weeks here, obviously going up with Bitcoin, and a lot of altcoins have been going up as well. And so GPU mining, it's not crazy profitable right now, depending on your electric, of course, but it is going up. I'm seeing, depending on your electric, like 8 cents, 10 cents kilowatt hour, you're earning maybe I'd say another 20 cents or more, over the course of the past like 2 months or so. Okay, so it has been going up along with the market with Bitcoin. So what I've seen, and I'm going to go back to a video that I did about a year ago. I bought $5,000 worth of AMD GPUs. I think about 34 5700 XTs, and the rest of them are RX 580s. So you guys can see in the picture here, just various worth of GPUs. So what I wanted to do, right, is compare back then a year ago, how much RX 5700 XTs were worth a year ago, about 120, 145, 150 bucks. People were buying them for back in October of 2023. So here we are today, okay? Today, November 16th, recently sold on eBay, November 15th. People have been buying these for 165. Looks like someone bought one for $229. Looks like on November 14th, someone bought one for $189 with $70 shipping. So to me, the price of these GPUs are definitely going up. And so my stack that I bought is definitely going to be worth more now, which is going to be interesting. Am I going to necessarily sell a lot of them? Maybe. Or maybe we'll do a lot of giveaways. And you know what? Let's give away one. All right, let's give away a Power Color Red Devil 5700 XT in this video. All you guys got to do, you just have to comment down below your thoughts currently about GPU mining hardware prices. Have you guys seen in your areas, has it been going up? Just give me your thoughts and opinions about anything regarding the prices of crypto mining hardware going up. All right, just comment down below. Let me know if you're in USA or Canada as well, and I'll choose the winner after 24 hours after this video is uploaded. One of you will win a Power Color Red Devil 5700 XT. Now, along with the stack that I bought, okay, a lot of RX 580s, okay, as well. Let's just look how much RX 580s have been selling for recently. Okay, so 85, 59, 79, all right, 69, recently sold. This is November 17th, by the way, all right, today. There's been a lot of people buying RX 580s for some reason. Yeah, I'd say there's still a market out there for people that are going to be buying these RX 580s. Are they necessarily profitable right now? RX 580s on hashrate.no currently looks like block X. It looks like it breaks even at 10 cents. Okay, if you have an RX 580 for mining, looks like you can mine block X at about 10 cents kilowatt hour. Breaking even, of course. You're not making a lot, all right? It's pennies. But it just goes to show that maybe a couple months ago, or maybe during the bear market times, RX 580s were not profitable GPUs. But now, as the market is going up, a lot of GPU mineable proof of work coins have also been going up over the past month, right? Along with Bitcoin. So this is propping up the market, and we're seeing a trend now of GPUs becoming a little bit more expensive. And so this is where I'm going to go into, are you guys going to be buying hardware right now? Is this the time to get in before things get more expensive? And this is definitely a type of crypto mining strategy a lot of people do, buy hardware during the bear markets when things are not profitable, when things are much cheaper. And then when the bull run comes about, when mining becomes profitable again, like in the dollar range, per GPU, then you're going to see a lot of this hardware go up in price. And another great example is PCSP. A lot of you guys probably been buying these Octominer X12s. Okay, I actually was one of them. I got 10 of these. Over here, I got 10 of these almost 3 months ago. Okay, I did a video called the GPU Mining Addiction Continues 3 months ago that I got 10 of the Octominer PCSP here with the 12 478 gigabyte cards in them. So for $289, right now it's at $289, and I have to say, like, 3 months ago, it was worth $329. Okay, these are $329 3 months ago. All right, on August, beginning of August. So the prices have definitely come down. But another funny thing is, like maybe a month ago, maybe a month and a half or 2 months ago, this was actually $239. Okay, so these were actually a little bit cheaper before. Okay, and just a little shill here. I don't get anything out of it. If you guys are interested in buying the Octominer PCSP, I do have a coupon code for 5% off. Okay, so it's RPM PCSP5. All right, if you want to purchase one of these or multiple or whatever. I mean, I want to talk about a bunch of stuff, okay, about the hardware pricing right now, because this might be the time, to get into power supplies, extra fans, extra parts, we're gonna talk about that as we go along here. Okay, so yeah, the PCSP Octominer X12s, these are honestly great value. Granted, you can't fit, big boy cards in here unless you move the front fans outside and, manipulate it, better just for just the fans and longer cards and, thicker cards if you're going to do that. And they already do come with, 750 watt PSUs, 3 of them. So depending on what you're mining, depending what cards you're putting in, you can swap out the PSUs as well, the 1200 watt PSUs. I've swapped these Octominers out with 1400 watt PSUs before. Oh no, sorry, the 1500 watt ones, the yellow ones. I did a video about that long ago. But yeah, they all should work. The HP hot swappable PSUs will work in this Octominer. So pretty cool, pretty good price as of now. But in the next coming months, during the bull run, maybe next year, as things start ramping up here, okay, are these prices going to keep going up? So great example, PCSP has raised the price here almost 50, 60 bucks over the past week here on these Octominers. Okay, so that's when right? That's when when there's more interest into crypto mining, people are buying hardware. That's when these prices are going to start going up across the board amongst all the crypto mining hardware companies that sell this type of stuff. Okay, so another thing I want to talk about with you guys. Okay, so I've been accumulating some stuff now to go along with what's transpired, who is now the president of the United States and has been talking about tariffs. So one thing with that, I've actually been looking into buying extra hardware. Okay, and where we are right now, I guess, in terms of, I'm not an economics person, but as things are getting more expensive potentially, and interest rates are dropping, inflation, money print over burr, are we going to have tariffs? Are things going to start costing more money now? Okay, so this is where I'm looking into buying extra stuff. So one thing I've been getting extra stuff is like hard drives. So one thing that I've been ordering recently for like a lot of my GPU mining rigs is SSDs. Okay, a lot of my Octominers have the 120 gig SSDs, the Patriot Bursts. I've been using a lot of these. Even in the past 2 years, I've been buying the bulk pack. Okay, so if you buy the bulk pack, you get 10 120 gig SSDs for 80 bucks. All right, bulk packaging. Make sure you click the bulk packaging. Link down below, by the way. Helps out the channel at no cost to you. But yeah, in the future, next year, when things start going crazy, do you guys expect this type of stuff to go up in price? Maybe. I don't know, maybe not, but I'm like preemptively buying this type of stuff as extra hardware, extra parts, just in case I need it next year, or when something goes wrong, need to change out the Octominer SSDs. The stock SSDs on these Octominers are horrible. So I highly recommend, definitely recommend, getting, new SSDs for these. And I think this is one of the best values that I've been buying. Okay, I haven't seen anything else better. If you guys know something else better, let me know in the comments down below. Now, another thing I've been getting extra on is power supplies. Okay, so Parallel Miner and also deepinthemines.com. So these companies, I've been seeing the power supplies for these are still reasonably priced. And, Deep in the Mines, for instance, I've used a couple of these before. I really like their setups. They have a 1400 watt combo here with the breakout board and the cables for $127. There's a lot of different versions here, from 110 volt to 240 volt. So yeah, there's many different versions here, but I think these are great values before they get even more expensive. I know back in the day, 2021, these types of kits were going over $180 to $250, right? With the whole setup. So it's much cheaper now, and including like Parallel Miner as well. They also have kits here. I've been buying a lot of just to show you guys here, I've been buying a lot of extra power supplies, just extra 750 watts. And I bought a bunch of the Dell 1400 watts for 15 bucks. So I bought a good 10 of these and a good 10 of the 750 watts just as spares, because, you know, during the bull run, these things were not cheap, right? These things were going for $60 to $80 at one point. So this is why I've been just kind of like hoarding this stuff now before things could potentially get worse, right? And I'm saying this because from experience, we have seen the prices of crypto mining hardware go up. You know, remember RX 580s being like $500 at one point? Granted, that was with Ethereum. I don't know if we're going to have that thing again where, you know, a lot of GPU mineable coins are going to lift up the market profitability. So we're going to see, right? And that's what I'm just getting ready for. And the prices of this stuff is cheap now, okay? Is pretty good now. Link down below to Parallel Miner and also Deep in the Mines if you're looking for stuff. But just, you know, I was looking at their bulk deals, Deep in the Mines. They actually have like 10 packs of mining motherboards. Now, I'm no longer, you know, doing the open air rig style, but it's just interesting to see, you know, one of these mining motherboards back in the bull run were like $500. So it's funny that you can get like a pack of 10 for like $1,000. Actually, this is actually interesting. I've been looking at this pack, 10 pack of BioStar TB360s. This has the 8 PCIe slots, okay, on the motherboard with the CPU and RAM. Sorry, looks like you need to buy the CPU and RAM separately. But this is interesting, right? This is actually really interesting to look at. $1,000 for 10 of these. It's like you could build like 10 open air, like put these on like wooden MDF, like wooden platforms on a shelf or something for GPU mining. So I thought, you know, that's pretty good value. And you have to buy, granted, you have to buy the CPUs and RAM. But to coincide with that, actually, Nerd Gears might have, you know, extra CPUs. Also, Bees Crypto Mining, I was looking at, you know, you could potentially buy those CPUs cheap, you know, on eBay or at Bees Crypto Mining. I was looking at Bees Crypto Mining. They got a lot of different, you know, crypto mining hardware here. So whatever deal that you guys find that could be a good deal, you know, check out these websites. I'll have a link down below. I'm not affiliated. Well, I'm affiliated with some of these, but not a lot of them anymore. But yeah, Nerd Gears, great site. Bees Crypto Mining, great site. You know, GPUrisers.com, also a great site for a lot of hardware, for GPU mining hardware, whether or not you guys see deals or not. But yeah, guys, just look around. Okay, like this is, I feel like it's coming back again. And if things are going up to where Bitcoin could go up to 150K to 200K, expect the GPU mining proof of work mineable coins are also going to be going up as well. And when that time comes, and if you don't have the hardware ready to turn on and take advantage of, you know, when these times get good again, you know, or you're going to be reselling the hardware, okay, when times get good, whichever your crypto mining strategy is, okay, it's looking like this could be our last chance to buy this stuff before it gets worse, okay? I could easily make this like an hour-long video, talk about a lot of different parts, but you know what? I'm going to keep doing this as I see stuff. Links down below to the websites I talked about, as well as my RedPandaMining.com for trusted hardware shops. If you guys are looking for ASIC miners or any, you know, Nerd Gears or any other, you know, hardware resellers out there, I have coupons for majority of them, okay? So check out my website here. And yeah, this should help you guys out if you're looking for hardware, get a little money off. And at the same time, it helps me out, helps the channel out as well. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment. All right, your thoughts about just, are you guys seeing hardware going up as well? Let me know. Let me know down below. Okay, and I'll choose the winner after 24 hours for a 5700 XT Red Devil GPU. All right, get your guys' comments in. Everyone, have a good one. Peace out.